Monday to Friday, Pastor now you watch a lot some space on day 2. Yes. Day 3, between really later and what pause and answer. Day 2, January, suppose we made a decision 3 days ago. Omutomo yankwira nambalira nangagowedde ani akukyamudde ani ekirungi simanyi bakikizibwa okwogera tiimu yonna gyetukola naye sikyakiza mabega tusabe tusabe.
I think this is such a beautiful thing because here in Uganda, whereby when people say the show is sold out, you can still go at the entrance and get a ticket.
Badde mbagamba waliwo legend akutte sente zagamba enkya ngenda kujja nga legend se bajja kukwatira emmotoka yeneziza atoke wali abagambe ndagiteko yange zange zirinawa ekisooka nagambya abategesi nti waliwo culture eri mu Uganda twegayirira abantu okujja abo abali ku after 5 ate bwe batuuka oli nabeematerako kati nze buli gyabayitanga ngegayira okujja obutegere ne bateeka omuntu handle them well. Oba afudde kololo, oba afudde nansana, oba afudde kamocha, whoever shows up these 2 days, even the 3rd day and 7th, at the wash house nansana park, treat people well. Tubeegayiride to come. Era oli ne bw'abazze naye waliwo nga tyaliwulidde nako tewajjidde. Treat him or her well. Mumunnyonnyole kati tomorrow oba there is another show. 100K. Omani, I was only trying to tell you like, oh, Okakasiza, so they talk about it.
There's so many others that say it's sold out.
I know. So I had to, my worst moment this time has been to ask people, my personal friends. Nina n'omuzungu gwe nakubidde mu America yagula table n'ateekako abantu I'm calling people abanga ab'omunju to move to Bedford because there is no space. That's very difficult. It's hard. I have a friend in Entebbe. I had to drive there. Ategeerenti nakubidde n'abamu bakwano bange nagambadde nsaba engeri gyemugye ku Bedford kumbe yetebo y'akasuku ate namulabye awere kasuku nagamba omugagga wange aŋŋambye tokikola nemugamba kale yagula 2 tables babayita right now. Very humble guy but my people cannot nemugamba nsasira nemugamba mpayo 1 table on one Friday and then mpayo 1 table on Saturday nazimufuna simu yakasuku so praise God for the favor. I have seen the love. I've seen celebrities posting. I've never seen Silver Chagulan posting. I've not seen Shiba Spice Diana Botitebo, the Nantumes, Navio. You guys have seen your love, David Lutaro. I've never seen Watoto Church post anything. I've seen the favor of the Lord. I've seen Nasanzo Mukadde Nangamba Kankusabireko. Serena za Serena Neka Kankusabireko. But then Eddie Kenz had given me tickets for border people what. So I have seen the opposition and the government all come together in one love about Jesus Christ. So I'm so thankful to everyone. I may not have mentioned your name, you know, but Chico Nimadrat, Alex Mohanji, the entire comedy store. I have seen, you know, the love, you know, Next Media family. Robert Kanja Jr. When he walked into church at the worship house as I was preaching. I don't know. I was like, God, Thank you.
Your love.
That is too much love.
Yeah, that's too
so
much
now,
love.
Pastor Wilson Bugembe, I've heard some people say that the first day I can have a lot of energy. By the time he comes to second day, I can have going at a chat with
So come bote
Nayo Douglas akwate mic emabega aluyimbe.
tebamanyi ekisooka nze ng'omuntu simanyi bibowa simanyi kubowa no I try my best. Two, it is Fenon, it is all over Union Board. Bangambye Bugembe kwe tugenda olaba ku Friday era Bugembe ku Saturday Monteke yoku Saturday. Union Board. Thank you so much. Waliwo omukyalo tajjeno na race. Yeyanzizizemu. Yankubidde nafuna nali ngatta abagole. I was wedding a couple at the watch house. So I found the phone is called. Then I called back. Hello, mom. Like, mwana wange nakulabye. I was preaching in Church Fellowship. Nine unyanti yadabira bano people. Nogamba show you good. Nemugaye nina ngaddewo date. Katoolo someone had just watered me down.
Yeah, tekisoboka.
Your mistake. Yes. Sente zonna ogenda kuzizaawa. Ate basatu provider. Yabogerako mpola. Abogerako mpola saira kunyiza abantu.
Sala ali bayi mu okola in the same place mu bibe kende. Anyiga kakisa diamonds too.
No, the trouble never allow us. So, I went to our office. I'll buy 5 tables. What? To help you with that. Ningenda yoku mwebaza nageze tansuli. Omanyi gwe pasita wange. Nangamba
Mukyati yajjayo washibe.
Naye yampeereza mu COVID generation yampeereza 5 million. Nangamba bado wanotoa ne mungamba nkweriza sente kati bisiri. Na pasita Bujinga aliwa nnyo. Nenda kuzirya. Ajja kukwera bangentiza pasita zili nga tebatwawula Bugembe Bugembe. Let me wait to eat this money, to use this money. That's the money we use to start to go to the start. The very first month I paid. Abantu bisakalisa helps us mu COVID nga tusasula in installments. Kakati nangamba uso nengeri gyose wani I'll buy 10 tables. So that's she raised it.
So ina ba member ba worship house na tebali nyanga.
Nga tebali nyanga bali online. Yes. Oli nomukyale yampa 3 tables. Ajisa yantwala ye. Nedana n'abatanza abalina ntu bebanga zaabo. Then UCC, Uganda Communication. They bought 2 tables, they 2 Saturday. Amazing. Era ali omukyala abadde atambuza amabaluwa. N'agamba yagadde ekigambo. Buli gye ntutte ebbaluwa y'esabaaku. Sirabanga omuntu agamba n'agamba naye Bugembe Katonda aleka etaakawe. It touched my heart. I saw a comment on social media. Someone said, I'm Kenyan. Who is this guy?
Naye olaba ebiriwo leero logikakayakayitako bwali kujjukira kasuku yagambye kasita otayimba nnyimba era njagala abantu
abantu bagala kunyigira kasuku nebagamba no. Sometimes in marketing, if I want to Pepsi is my sponsor. Bwe manyala kulaga Pepsi nemuteeka ku billboard ng'ayimiridde like a normal bottle. I have to kugisulika. So you'd be like, please. I think Kasuku was advertising my concept in his character. Because it's my